licensed realtor in North Carolina and South Carolina. Today I'm in Burlington, North Carolina, touring Macintosh at the Lakes, a Windsor home community, and I'm getting ready to show you their Newbern floor plan. It's a 4-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom. Primary bedroom is on the main floor and 3 bedrooms upstairs. Currently being offered at just below $325,000. Let's go look at it. All right, there you have it. That's the Newbern floor plan here at Macintosh at the Lakes by Windsor Homes. If you're interested in setting up a private tour, reach out to me. My contact information is below. And if you just enjoyed this video, as always, be sure to subscribe to my channel for more.